who can open this? Everyone gets a knife. Like, I know because I did this literally last night. I literally just got one of the big butcher knives and stabbed it. And then, you have to like peel it all out. There's just, no one can do this, surely. Also, it doesn't say literally anywhere how to open it. So I'm just like assumed, like, I'm guessing you're meant to peel it, right? Not that anyone would peel it, but this corner, I think this corner's like slightly tilted, so you'd like try to do that. God, the dexterity you need to be able to do that. No, that one's just getting stabbed. Like, it's been stabbed. How? You're like stabbing this, right? Oh yeah, maybe that's the... No, I would just be cutting that. How else are you meant to do it? No, that's being cut. What is a tear? Ah, it's a tear. Okay, if I'm tearing that, then that's going in my mouth, and then I'm tearing it. I'm not a chance. I can... Why? All of these? No. Like, I'd need scissors. I have to cut that with scissors. I couldn't do that. This is literally all of them. This is so ridiculous. Again, the only way I could do this is getting scissors. Or stabbing it with a knife and then trying to open it, but probably better off doing that with scissors. I just love though that it gives you no indication of how to open anything. Even though I've seen this a million times, I know that with all of them, I just stab them and try to open them that way, or like try to cut them. That also is on the basis of like being able to use scissors as well, which is really challenging. Oh, these are the worst things. Because like you have to peel the sticker off to then try to open it. To be honest, these ones, we literally had this for dinner last week. I had to get my partner to open it because I was like, I just can't do it. It's too much.
I can't see what the obvious area is to unwrap that, so it'd have to be a pair of scissors. I get somebody to do it for me. That's a possibility. That's also an impossibility, looking at that. But I can't even see where I would open that. No, that's I wouldn't buy that product for that reason. Open this. Yep, and I'll just torn it. There you go. Sorry about that. Somebody else will take you for dinner. No, I'm not trying to get the thing out of you. Look at this. And again, I'm then back to the next issue. I'd have to get a pair of scissors. But I would have thought they could have done a different packaging job to that.
This open and this one open with scissors, so I wouldn't even probably try to find the tab on the corners. And the same as with this one, I would probably just use my knife to completely cut into it anyway.
Yeah, this is really interesting. I would really struggle with this because there's nowhere to really grab hold of. Yeah, and I certainly wouldn't be able to open it the way that the manufacturer had designed it. So again, no, I wouldn't even try this with a knife. I'd be asking my partner to do that. Well, this one I have to get scissors to undo it, and again, the vacuum pack doesn't really help. That problem. I just think that it's not all that accessible, particularly if it's only a very small portion of the packaging that you can pull apart. I think that's probably what I would say, that they're really designed for people with really good, strong hand strength and good fine motor skills.
cut it down both sides. It's still difficult because I'm also trying not to spill it everywhere. With dyes, the only way I can get it then is to cut it along until I can get a point where I can open it. That's even harder because they're shrink wrapped. I did have some of that, I still got some of that in my freezer. It's very hard to open that. All I can do is try and cut, which is again hard to cut hard plastic with one hand because it's very solid. And I have dealt with that before, and that's the same problem. And it's not even easy to find a point to cut from because sometimes it's sealed there as well. So I have to cut and then keep pulling it up until there's enough to be able to cut along and open it, which of course then wrecks the packaging if you're not using the whole of the meat. So I have to repackage it into something else. Hopefully. It's not even easy to open, of course. It may be easy to cut the top off and then try and peel it back.